Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical facts. Power and data cables seated, or the M, 2 modules screwed down. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and look for the drive name under storage. That tells you whether the system detects hardware. Make sure controller mode is correct, ASI for SATA, NVMe for PCIe, because improper mode hides devices. If the drive is missing, switch ports or test the SSD in another machine to isolate a hardware fault. You now bring the SSD into the operating system. Open Disk Management or run diskpart on Windows. On Linux, use LSBLK and fdisk or parted. Initialize the disk. Choose GPT for modern UEFI systems, MBR only for legacy needs, because partition style affects boot and size support. Next, create a primary partition, format it NTFS for Windows, ext4 for Linux, and assign a drive letter or mount point so the OS can access files. Once formatted, the device becomes visible and usable immediately. Finish by verifying the SSD appears in File Explorer or your file manager and that you can read/write a test file. Check Smart Status with a utility to confirm health. Install or update storage drivers and apply the SSD firmware update if available, because software-level support matters. Then reboot to ensure the device stays visible. If it still fails, run a hardware diagnostic and examine driver conflicts. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals firmware, driver, or controller issues preventing visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.